my session. I'll share my screen. So which option should I choose here to open the Tally software quickly?
Working
Ed-
educational mode.
educational mode, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, the company has opened. See now guys, last class I have created a company name. What is the company name? Can anyone say that?
Silicon.
Silicon
Yeah. But what company name do you see here in my screen?
Micromax.
Micromax.
This is not my company. This is someone else company. But I have to open my company. I don't want to work with, because it is an offense if I use others company for any transactions, or if I try to steal their information or report to use my purpose, it is offense. So I have to close this company, then I have to open my company. What is the shortcut key should I follow here to close this company? That means shut company. What is the
Alt plus F.
F1, ma'am.
Alt F3.
only few are saying? What about others, guys? Whoever knows, you unmute or text me in the chat box. Alt F1. See, that's what why I am telling you, when you come to computer lab next after a week classes, if someone else company is there, you will not call me, ma'am, I don't know what to do now. Someone else company. You should know that I have to shut this company and I have to select my company. So what is the shut company command? Even see that if you don't remember, you can see in the button bar, it will show the shut company, because complete information is displaying on the button bar. Only you have to see what you have to do, you have to do it that. So shut company, alt F1. When I click alt F1, the company is closed. Okay. Tally closed is different. Company close is nothing but shut company. Now I have to select my company. I have created last class silicon company. Understood this point, guys? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Guys, I have told you the company creation, it is a 14-mark question. So I will show once again Alt F3. I'm using shortcut because the A letter highlight color is red color is A. So if I press the A, it will go. And if I press enter, so have you all written this complete information with a little bit of explanation? Have you mentioned? Yes. How many of you have done? I said it is a 14-mark question. Explain company creation concepts in Tally. Company alteration and deletion, that can be asked also 2 mark. How to alter a company, how to delete a company, or sometime company creation, alteration, deletion together. But most of 99% the question will be in this way: explain the company creation, or they will only give the certain data like this: name of the company, mailing address, country, state, pin code, phone number, financial year. They will ask you use this basic details and how to create a company. So you have to draw the screen like this and you have to fill the data whatever it is there on the question paper. If the question paper mention the name of the company and the phone number, contact details, books beginning from, everything as it is, what is there in the question paper, same thing you have to place it in a appropriate places in the company creation screen. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you have written this question answer, please? Anyone or no one? Put it in a chat box or talk to me. Rashmi, are you there? Mithun?
Ma'am, still writing, ma'am.
No, company creation, this question.
Yes, ma'am. I have to. There is 14 marks questions. You gave 5 questions last time, right, ma'am?
Uh,
So we are still writing that, ma'am. I haven't
okay.
started this question.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Rashmi, do you understand? Bindu, Bhargav, Bhuvana. Why? Why should I ask only Mithun and Rashmi? Because they are the one who keep on responding me. Any work, anything if I ask. And then Sunita, sometime Lakshmi, Vinay is texting. Rishabh, where are you? Parappa, where are you? Chaitra, coming 1 classes, bunking 4 classes. Manoj, Maya, Parappa. ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋರೆಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೋದು ಅಂತ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಅ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಕೀಸ್. Whoever scores less than 45, I'm going to fix the 45 is the pass percentage. Whoever scores less than 45, you will not get certificate. That I'm sure. So be very what is that, perfect, and learn. Don't be just for the attendance purpose. Don't come for only for the attendance purpose.
Ma'am, when is the test, ma'am?
I'll give another 2 classes. I will finish the third and fourth unit because I'm almost ending to the third unit. Third unit is only introduction, company creation, and one more today's topic. So today topic ends with the third chapter. Then I will focus on next. I will not tell you the third and fourth unit, but I'm going to the sequence of the third, fourth, fifth. So all 3 units, it's completely tally. So in another 6 to 7 classes, I will finish third, fourth, fifth. I will do revision as well also. Don't worry. Okay. I will make you. You have to write whatever the questions I have given. Write it. I'm not giving too much or big questions. I'm not giving more questions. I'm giving only 1 or 2. Today also I'm going to give questions. So, guys, I'm repeating again, company creation, very, very important question and easy question, 14-mark question. Take this serious. I have told you this question will come. And I'm telling you, last exam, what are the questions I have mentioned to the students? 99%, except 2 questions came in a different way, but that also the same related, but all 99, what are the important questions I have given? They got it the same question and they wrote well. So prepare yourself. I'm not this, if I teach a chapter wise, you will get confused, you will not study. I will teach, I will give question, I will tell you what to write. So it is your job to write. Let me see. If I give complete notes, then you will mug up, you will not study, you will not concentrate. And I can see that you are coming only for the sake of attendance. I'm telling you, this affects your internals in my subject. You will get attendance 5 marks, assignments 5 marks you will get. There is a 10 mark in my hand for the students' presentations and behavior in the class. So if you get 15 marks, is it okay? Then be mute yourselves because you can chat, record a voice and share me in the WhatsApp. See, when you are able to participate in the class with that network, do you think that if you unmute and speak, you will get a network issue? Okay, fine. If not, okay, if you are having network issue, put it on the chat box or send it to me a text in the WhatsApp. Record your voice and share me through WhatsApp, ma'am. I'm answering this question. Look, please listen my audio. Yes, there are n number of ways you can present, guys. Nowadays, don't stick on to only there is a no, network issue, network issue. Stop saying network issue. Try find alternative way, alternative ideas. Bring different ideas to showcase yourself, to answer yourself. If you keep saying this, I'll tell you, you will never come up. You will be stuck with that whatever you are keep saying. You will never change your attitude because attitude speaks a lot in the job and everything. So change your attitude by saying the problems. Try to overcome out of the problem. Even Mithun has gave wonderful presentation in the last semester, attitude. I don't know how many of you will remember or not. So change your attitude. If you change your attitude, you will see a lot of changes in you. That's all. I don't want to waste my time, guys. See, I'm not the person to stick, oh, this is my syllabus, I should finish, I should give you notes, okay, my job is done. No. Why I'm stressing too much? This tally course is a job oriented certification course. It's a mandatory. None of the college will not teach. Ask any of your friends who study other college, are they teaching in this way Tally to them, or are they sending the notes? Other colleges, they will take them to lab one day, they will show this is a complete Tally screen, this is the company creation, this is ledger, this is the transaction, and these are all the reports. One class they'll finish the third three chapters. Rest of the classroom will be in the theory. They will teach, they will write it on the board. F2, Alt plus F2, write it, shut company. But here I'm showing you, you will be practicing in the computer lab once the college reopens. So I'm giving you an opportunity to learn and experience. That experience shows you're perfect in writing in the exam. That's it. So please take it seriously. Whatever questions I give, write it today, because last class was done it on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 2 days you had. I don't bother whether you are having a no time or not. Please take a screenshot today. Gateway of Tally. Do you see this screen? Gateway of Tally, masters, transactions, utilities, reports, display, quit. About this question, menu options. Please note down the question. Menu options in Tally. See, so far we have seen the company creations and how to create company, what is the title bar, what is the menu bar, what is the shortcut button bar, and what are the product, Tally product versions and configuration, and what is a calculator, where is the calculator, how to operate the calculator, what is the shortcut key for the calculator. If you are in the calculator, how to go to the main screen, Control plus M. If you are in a main screen, how will you go to calculator, Control plus N? So in Tally, you should know calculator is there. Where is there? What is the shortcut key? You should know. This all we have seen in the beginning first class. Then last class we have seen the company alteration and deletion. Now this is the main menu of every company. Whenever you create any company in Tally, this is the basic menu what you see on the right side. Gateway of Tally. The Gateway of Tally menu has four parts. One is masters, transactions, utilities, reports, display, and quit. So totally it is, under the reports there are two separate options, but totally it is four. You know, no need to write totally, it is four different divisions and all. Gateway of Tally menu as, I want this screen to be drawn there. Please take a screenshot, all of you. Have you all taken? Respond me once you taken the screenshot. Yes ma'am, we have taken the screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.
I'm saying to take only the Gateway of Tally screen. Don't take the full screen. No need. Explain. The question is, explain the menu options in Gateway of Tally, or explain the menu options in Tally. This is nothing but the menu options in Tally. This is nothing but menu options in Tally. Now I will tell you all these things one point. You have to explain. You have to draw the screen. Gateway of Tally, masters. Under the master, what is there? First one. Can anyone read? Dhanvantri, read that.
Account information.
Accounts info, not information. It is called info, info. Even the exam same way you should write. Don't write information full form. Info dot. Read ma. Who is reading? Please read it.
Inventory info.
Okay. Next heading.
Transactions.
Mm.
Accounting vouchers.
Mm.
Inventory vouchers.
Next.
Utilities. Import data. Banking. Reports. Balance sheet. Profit and loss account. Stock summary. Ratio analysis. Display and quit.
Okay. Dhanvantri, read quickly.
Yeah, ma'am.
From the
Masters,
master.
accounts info, inventory info, transaction, accounting vouchers, inventory vouchers, utilities.
Vouchers.
What, ma'am?
Vouchers, not vouchers. Vouchers.
Import data, banking reports, balance sheet, profit and loss account, stock summary, ratio analysis, display, quit.
Now, who else? Rashmi, read ma. Gateway of Tally.
Yes, ma'am.
Read ma.
Gateway of Tally. Masters. Below that, account info, inventory info. Transactions, accounting vouchers, inventory vouchers. Utilities, import data. Banking. Reports, balance sheet, profit and loss account, stock summary, ratio, display, and quit.
Okay. Mithun, read Gateway of Tally menu.
Yes, ma'am. Gateway of Tally. Masters, account info, inventory info. Transactions, accounting vouchers, inventory vouchers. Utilities, import data, banking. Reports, balance sheet, profit and loss account, stock summary, ratio analysis. Display, quit.
Okay. Sandeep, read the Gateway of Tally. Guys, be alert. Don't wait for me. Sandeep, unmute. Read. Rishabh, next. Be ready.
Masters, accounting info, inventory info,
Accounts
transactions,
info. Accounts
accounts
info.
info, inventory info, transactions, accounting vouchers, inventory vouchers, utilities, import data, banking, reports, balance sheet, profit and loss account, stock summary, ratio analysis, display, quit.
Okay. Rishabh. Vinay, if you can, you read, man.
Ma'am, Rishabh has some mic issues, ma'am. He texted me.
Vinay also having the same issues. Bindu.
Yes, ma'am. Gateway of the menu of Gateway of India. The Gateway of Tally.
Gateway of India. Good.
Menu of Gateway of Tally, ma'am. Masters, accounts info, inventory info. Transactions, accounting vouchers, inventory vouchers. Utilities, import data, banking. Reports, balance sheet, profit and loss account, stock summary, ratio analysis. Display, quit.
Yeah, very good. Anybody else would like to? Jivita, Jayashri, Sahana. There are multiple Sahanas, Snehas. Okay. Please don't mind, guys. I'm calling only these students because some other day I will call your name also. There are 58 students to remember, Dhanushri, Bhumika, Archana, Aarti. Okay. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಕರಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ. Menu option, it is a 6 mark question. Please note down. Writing the answer is your responsibility. I am teaching line by line. If you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you don't understand, next class you ask me, ma'am, could you please repeat? Yes, I will do. Okay, but I want this question to be answered written in your note today itself. Tomorrow in the class I will ask you how to answer. Okay, menu options. So there are two 6 mark questions in the first unit. One question will be explain the tally screen. That means the previous class we have seen 6 steps. Same way, either that question or explain the menu options in tally screen. So they may ask you anyway, guys. Menu options anta bandre gateway of tally antanu kodbodu, menu options in tally screen antanu kodbodu, menu options in company creation screen antanu kodbodu. Don't think it will be a different answer. No, this is the same answer. Question may be tricks. Okay, first, gateway of tally. Look at that. Masters, transactions, utilities, reports, display, quit. So remember these points in your mind. Masters, transactions, utilities, reports, display, quit. Masters. Master component as two important information. One is accounts info and inventory info. You have to write down in this way. Masters option has two important information. One is accounts info, another one is inventory info. I'll tell you one line what you should write about accounts info, what you should write about inventory info. Accounts info information is used to create accounting related heads of the heads for the transaction. Head nothing but ledgers. Okay, so accounts info is an information which is used to create accounting heads, accounting related heads for the accounts transaction. Or you can write it in a simple: accounts info information is used to record accounting related information. Next, inventory. Inventory is just to replace the accounts from the same sentence. Inventory information. It is an option in the master. It is used to record stock or inventory related heads for the transaction. See, why I'm saying here head, accounts info, inventory info, head. When you say the transaction, like rent paid by cash, rent account data to cash accounts. So debit expenses and credit what goes out. So rent to cash. So rent is a head, that is expenditure ledger. Cash is a cash ledgers under the bank, that cash what they have given, paid. So rent and cash both are heads. ಆ ಹೆಡ್ ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್. ಟ್ಯಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಡ್ಜಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್, ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟಾ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, so on so amount. Without the heads, transactions cannot be created. So heads are very very important in the company. So that's why I'm telling you, masters has two important information: accounts and inventory. Accounts and inventory informations are called heads for the respective transactions to be recorded in the company, in the tally. Okay, accounts info, it is used, it is a head, accounting related heads for the transaction. Inventory info, it is used to create inventory transactions related heads. So remember guys, accounts info and inventory info are called heads, the heads which is required for the transaction. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ₹1000. ನಾನು ವೌಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ, ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ವೌಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ₹1000 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೆಂಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶು ಲೆಡ್ಜರು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ heads. So that has to be created under the accounts info. For example, if I press accounts info, what are the information do you see on screen? Anyone can say? ಬೇಗ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾರಾದೊಬ್ರು.
Group,
ಹಾ,
groups, voucher types.
ಯಾ, ಸೊ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಈ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್, ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೋ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ ಇನ್ಫೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಐಟಮ್, ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಷರ್, ವೌಚರ್ಸ್ ಸುಮಾರಿದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಹಸ್ ಕಮ್. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ, ಒಂದ್ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ ಇನ್ಫೋಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಗೆಟ್ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ ಇನ್ಫೋ, it is used to create stock or inventory heads for the inventory transactions. Guys, do you understand? ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is used to record, used to create accounting heads for the accounting transaction. Inventory info, it is used to create stock or inventory heads for the stock related transactions. That's it. ನಾಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಡ್. ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, Next, transaction. So when you are writing, this is a 2 mark questions as well. List the types of transactions in Tally. Note down this question. Guys, can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because I had some network issues. So, guys, all of you, can you see now? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I was giving you the question. There are 2 types of transactions. 2 types of transactions. One is accounting voucher, another one is inventory voucher. Question note 2 marks question. List the types of vouchers in Tally, accounting vouchers and inventory vouchers. What is accounting voucher? Accounting voucher is a written document or a proof for accounting related transactions. Vouchers andre proof for some actions. If your fees paid, you will get receipt. That receipt is called voucher. ನೀವು ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಇದೇ ನೀವು ಆಡಿಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಶೋ ಯರ್ ವೌಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ವೌಚರ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವೌಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅನ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್ in accounts terms. Okay, it's a proof or written document for a transaction is completed successfully anta. So you've paid fee successfully anta ಒಂದು receipt ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Same accounting voucher. Accounting related transactions are to be recorded in Tally using accounting voucher. So accounting voucher andre ಏನು? Accounting vouchers are used to record accounting related transactions in Tally. Simple definitions. Don't think about too much complicated. Next, inventory voucher andre ಏನು? Inventory vouchers are used to record or store. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಗಾದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Inventory vouchers are used to record or store inventory related transactions in Tally. If I select and enter, you can see some payment voucher. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಬಟನ್ ಬಾರಲ್ಲಿ. This is a ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. F4 ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾ, F5 ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್, F6 ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೌಚರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಗೆ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ವೌಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ವೌಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ವೌಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ that only you can able to record those transactions. If you press escape, it will come back to accounting voucher. So if I press enter accounting voucher, the accounting voucher options will show the types of vouchers. ಇದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋಣ, ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇದೆ, 14 mark questions ಇದೆ, and it is very easy to. Next, inventory vouchers. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ? accounting vouchers, it is used to record accounting related transactions in Tally. Next, inventory vouchers. Same ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ವೌಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ವೌಚರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಆ ತರ ಕೆಲವು ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ರಿ ವೌಚರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ವೌಚರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗುಡೌನ್. ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ರಿ ವೌಚರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So I cannot, as per the syllabus I will go, and that is enough. Accounting voucher basic ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರೂ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರತ್ತಾ, ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ವೌಚರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಯು ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ರಿ ವೌಚರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ರಿ ವೌಚರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ರಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಏರಿಯಾ. Same way, Tally has 2 important utility. One is banking, another one is import data. Import data yak beku? It is very important, guys. Ivaga this financial year is 21-22. Next financial year is 22-23. Is it right? Or we will have the same financial year next year also. 21-22 ne iratta athwa 22-23 iratta? Answer me.
22-23
ಯಾ. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ಕಂಪನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 21-22. ಯೂಶಲಿ ನೀವು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, if a company is having 21-22 financial year data and they have to continue same thing in the next academic year, which are the important things to be used in the next academic year, how they will use? Do you know any of these? ಇವಾಗ 21-22 ಆಗಿರೋ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ 22-23ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಡು ಯು ನೋ ಎನಿ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಇವಾಗ 22-23ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 21-22ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ 22-23ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
A closing stock, ma'am.
Yes,
Last
exactly.
year closing stock will be the opening stock of that particular.
That is closing stock. Say it in accounting term that closing balances. Closing balances of trial balance value will be the opening balance for the next academic year. Is it correct or not? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಈ 21-22ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ದೋಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೋಸ್ ಲೆಜರ್ಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 21-22 ಕಂಪನಿಯಿಂದ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಸಮೇತ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು 22-23ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ವೌಚರ್, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ವೌಚರ್ನ ಇವಾಗ ಈವನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಕೆಲವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಈ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಟ್. ಸೊ ವೌಚರ್ಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಹೌ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ opening closing balance of that company into the next financial year. So this is nothing but import data. Import data means what? Import data helps company to export the previous year closing balances to the next academic year for opening balance. Okay, next banking. There is lot of options are there. Check, you can bank reconciliations. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ರಿಕನ್ಸಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಚೆಕ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೆಕ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್, ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್, ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್, ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟೆಡ್ ಸಮ್ಮರಿ, ಕ್ವಿಟ್. ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆನು ಆಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್. Tally has variety of reports, variety of financial reports. The main financial report is balance sheet, profit and loss, stock summary, ratio analysis. The reports which is important, that is being listed in the gateway of Tally. The supporting reports that has been hidden in the display menu. If I go to display menu, look at that. First report enide, anybody can read quickly?
Trial balance, day book, account books, statement of accounts, inventory books, a statement of inventory, cash or fund flow, receipts and payments, list of accounts, exception reports, quit.
Okay, if I click on accounts book, again it has lot of reports: ledger, group summary, sales register, purchase register, journal register. If I click journal register, I will get the journal register, journal related transactions. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ then you can see some value here. Now it is showing a blank because no transactions, no vouchers, no ledger has been created yet. So I'll go to the statements of accounts ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಓವರ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್. ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ರಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ. See in Tally, just because of transactions, if you record, you can see cash flow statement, you can see fund flow statement report. And projections report, receipts and payments, total number of receipts and total number of payments, list of accounts, total ledger created by the user in the company, exception reports, negative, overdue, even post dated, cancelled voucher. Exception andre few transactions is incomplete transactions, or the amount may not be, maybe it may come. So those reports are here. I'm not telling you to you have to write everything under the display menu. No. Reports, there are find a few basic reports and other reports. Other reports are highlighted under the display menu. So display is displaying the other reports for the accounting purpose. Balance sheets, profit and loss, stock summary, ratio analysis are the basic financial reports for the company. Then quit, it is used to quit the tally. These are the how many steps? Master 1 step, transaction step 2, utility step 3, report step 4, display step 5, quit step 6. So total you have to write step 6. Whenever you are writing master, step 1 al bariri, accounts info, inventory info. Accounts info andre ಏನು one line, inventory info andre ಏನು one more line. Transaction, there are two types of transaction, accounting and inventory vouchers. There are two types of vouchers. Write this. What is accounting vouchers? What is inventory voucher? That's it. Utilities, there are two important utility options, import and banking. Import data helps to export of one academic year data into another academic year. Banking, banking is used to record all the banking related documents and transactions information. Reports, there are basic 5 reports in tally: balance sheet, profit and loss, stock summary, ratio analysis. The other reports have been listed under the display menu. So display menu is listing the other financial, other accounting and inventory reports. Example, write any 2 reports, trial balance and day book. Ashte. Quit, it is used to quit the tally. That's it. Guys, do you have any doubt in this? Please ask me yes or no. Do you understand?
Understand, ma'am.
Understand? Who is that talking? Mute yourself. Understood? Aarti, Alka, Archana. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಲ್ವಾ ಯಾರುನು? ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ, ಭಾವನಾ, ಭೂಮಿಕಾ, ಬಿಂದು, ಚೈತ್ರ, ಚಂದನ, ಚಿದಂಬರ್, ಚಿತ್ರಶ್ರೀ, ದೀಪಿಕಾ, ಧನುಶ್ರೀ, ಸಹನಾ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಹೇಳಿ ನಂಗೆ. ಧನ್ವಂತ್ರಿ, ಜಯಶ್ರೀ, ಜೀವಿತ, ಅಂಬಿಕಾ, ಈರಮ್ಮ, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗಾದ್ರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಮ್ಮ. ಈಸಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋ. ಮಾಯಾ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತ್, ಮನೋಜ್ ಆರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲ್ಸ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಪಬ್ಜಿ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸಾಂಗ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಟಿವಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಪ್ರತ್ಯೂಷಾ, ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ, ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ, ಪ್ರಣತಿ is absent, Ashok Kumar, Sandhya, Ashok, Sandeep, do you understand? Shreyas,
Yes, ma'am.
Sneha, Shreyas, do you understand? Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Shreyas, Sneha, Sandeep, you three are going to show the answers next class tomorrow about this menu options in tally. Sneha? Sunita?
Yes, ma'am.
Supreet, you too, man. Supreet, you also should write the answer and show me next class. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ 4 ಜನನ್ ಕೇಳೋದು. ಸುಪ್ರೀತ್, ಸ್ನೇಹ, ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್, ಸಂದೀಪ್. ಓಕೆ? ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗಲೇ. ವಿನಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಡು ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ವಿನುತಾ, ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿ, ಯೋಗೇಶ್. ವಿನುತಾ, ಏನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಗುಡ್. Have you written company creation, Vinuta?
Still writing, ma'am.
Okay, so I want these questions also to be answered tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Guys, next I will start this because it's another 8 minutes. So 3 minutes is enough for me to tell you. See, tally, ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಮೆನು ಹೆಸರೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಓದಿ. ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೋ, ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಇನ್ಫೋ ಅವಾಗ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು. ಎರಡನೇದು, ಟ್ಯಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಕರ್ಸರ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು F11 ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್, ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ F12. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ F11 F12 ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ F11 ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಂಗ್ F11. This is also 6 mark question. Explain any 6 or 7 F11 features. It has many
Hear you.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a 6 mark question. Please note down this. F11 features. F11 features in Tally. F11 features are different for accounting, inventory and taxation, statutory and taxation. ಈ F11 ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ವೆನ್ ಐ ಟೀಚ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿ ಬೆಟರ್ F11. ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು 2 minutes introduction of F11 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು. One small operations I will teach you. See, as per the syllabus, I need to focus only on accounting voucher. So I will go to accounting. I will show you the features in all. Just see, I am entering the accounting feature. This is the accounting features, F11 features. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ there are so many options are there. If you set any of this, I told you payroll option. If you want to learn payroll in Tally and if you want to bring the payroll option into the gateway of Tally, you have to set this option yes. And I'm saving it, save all. I have taught you in the first class without enter ಮಾಡಿ accept ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ shortcut key ನಲ್ಲಿ save ಮಾಡೋದು. Save all is control A. I'm doing control A. I press escape. Now you see that masters ಅಲ್ಲಿ payroll option ಬಂದಿದೆ. If I want to learn payroll, if I know how to use payroll in Tally, if I'm going to an interview, the company is asking, do you know how to use Tally? Yes, I know the basic. Do you know payroll in Tally? How to create payroll employee slip? Do you know how to generate salary slip in Tally? If you say yes, you will be appointed immediately. It is extra component. It is extra options in Tally. ಸೊ ಆ ಪೇರೋಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರೋದು, ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಪೇರೋಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. F11 ಫೀಚರ್, ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಚರ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ yes. If I set no, because I don't know how to use payroll now, so I will cancel that feature. I don't want the feature now. For this purpose, F11 features are useful. If you want to work in Tally with new features or new functions, any of this, interest calculation, yes, you can do interest calculation. For that you need to enable this feature. ಈ ಫೀಚರ್ ಎಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸು ಕಂಪನಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್, even budget, you can create budget for your company. For that you need to enable this feature. Right now the features have been disabled. And even if you want to make buy one get one free transaction, this we will see in the accounting voucher. Enable zero value transaction. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯೋ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, ಕಂಪನಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ F11 ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನೀವು ನೋ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ F11 ಫೀಚರ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಡಿಸೇಬಲ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್. Same. Now I'm going to inventory. Inventory features ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ? Inventory related transaction ಅಲ್ಲಿ any new features ನ activate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ inventory features. ಇಲ್ಲಿ purchase order process ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ವೈಸ್ ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೈರಿ ಡೇಟ್, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೈರಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ವೈಸ್, set expiry dates for batches. So people use Tally software in this way to print the expiry date on the product sticker. So for that inventory features ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. Okay. Next to statutory and taxation. This tax GST. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ GST ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. I want to learn GST feature. Then this GST option yes ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. yes ಕೊಟ್ರೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ GST ledger creations transactions ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ you can able to do it. If you said this no, you can't create GST transaction. Then if I want to create value added tax transactions, I have to enable this. I have to set yes here, that feature. Only then the feature will be added in the company. Then service tax, I want service tax in all my transactions. So then you have to enable. And TDS, I want to calculate my income tax TDS challan using Tally. So these are all different components, guys. I have, as I told you in the beginning, GST, value added tax, service tax, TDS, TCS, tax collector source. These are all different components in Tally. It's not necessary that you should know everything, but you can. If you have a caliber, you can learn everything. But be confident and be thorough one component, either payroll or GST. You can do wonderful in that Tally job, because most of them, even auditor, don't shortage of student or employee who do not know how to use GST in Tally. They are recruiting, huge recruitment is going on Tally GST. For this reason only, the college has decided in the final year, now you are learning the basic Tally. With the help of this basic Tally, you will be learning how to use GST in the Tally transactions. The other trainer will teach you, because even I don't know how to use GST, but I don't know how, I know how to work on the GST, how to activate the GST. But the trainer who is, because he is a specialist, he's been training last 5 to 10 years, he is expert in GST. So we are facilitating the outside trainer to teach you, because he is an industry, he is working in industry as a GST, so he knows that what industry requirement on GST, how you have to prove, how you have to uh, set the GST percentages. He will teach you according to that. These are the F11 features. There are 3 types of F11 features in Tally: accounting features, inventory features, statutory and taxation features. No, don't mention this. Add-on features not required, and quit. ಬರೀ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು 7 ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಗೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್. I will give you the easy 7 features for the exam. That notes I will share. And this feature is very easy to write, guys. One small feature I will show you. So this is Gatewayof Tally. Look at this. What is the report name? Can anyone say the report name? What is the name of the report? Unmute your
Profit
mic.
and loss account.
What is this report?
Profit and loss account.
Profit
and loss account.
Now what I'm going to change this report into different name using F11. Now I'll go to F11. One feature I will teach you in accounting feature. I have selected the accounting feature. In this third feature, what is the feature name? Can anyone read? Can you able to read?
Use income and expenses account instead of profit and loss account.
So now it was, you have seen, and Rashmi and Mithun has read profit and loss account. Now I set yes this, and I'll do Control A, shortcut saving, accept. I press escape. I came to Gateway of Tally. Now what do you see here? What is this?
Income and expense account.
Yes. So what I did with the help of the feature, I renamed profit and loss account as income and expense account. Because some company maintains income and expense account. Some company name the report name as profit and loss account. So as per the company terms and wish, the report name can be renamed. For that, they have to go to F11. It's an accounting related reports, so they have to go to accounting feature and they have to enable the yes. If the user gives yes, profit and loss account name will be renamed as income and expense account. If I said no ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? ನೋ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ?
P&L ಅಂತಾನೆ. Profit and loss account.
Exactly. So look at this profit and loss. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು F11 ಫೀಚರ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಹೀಗೆ. ಆ ಫೀಚರ್ಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ನೋ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So like this 7 features you should know with practical ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ, because if you don't understand this practical then you cannot write that question. So one feature I taught you today. Like this you will be learning 7 features during the whole theory, whole tally chapters up to 5th chapter. At the end 7 features and F12 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ F12 configuration ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 7 configuration, easy configuration will teach you. If I am teaching configuration means it is 4th unit. I am teaching F11 feature, that is 3rd unit last concept. Okay, but I can teach you in 1 hour, I can finish the whole chapter, 3rd and 4th 5th chapter. No, I teach with your understand. So today we have seen 2 questions guys. One is list the types of vouchers in Tally, menu options in Gateway, explain the menu options in Gateway of Tally. 2 question go answer ಬರೆದಿರಬೇಕು. Then one more question, note down it. List the types of F11 features. What are
Ma'am,
the
can you repeat the question, ma'am? There was disturbance.
Yeah, list the types of vouchers in Tally. Next question, explain the menu options in Tally. Third question, list the types of F11 features. There are 3 types of F11 features. What are they? Please read, anyone. What are the 3 features of F11? Look at the screen. Take the screen photo.
Accounting features, inventory features, statutory and taxation.
Yes, that's it. Only 3.
Features.
No, not required. Add-on features is not required. Just mention 3. Accounting, inventory, statutory and taxation. Okay? Take a screenshot this feature.
Yes, ma'am.
And take a screenshot of this. In this you learnt one feature, this one. Use income and expense accounting. Just take a screenshot. I'll tell you in the next class how to, where to write. I want 3 questions to be answered today. Tomorrow I will ask the questions. List the types of features, list the types of vouchers, and list the explain the menu options in Gateway of Tally screen. Tomorrow we will learn another 3 to 4 features from this. Okay, then I will start the 4th unit. Okay, wait guys, I'll take attendance. Please
Okay,
note
ma'am.
down. Have you taken the screenshot of this? Have
Yes,
you
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly unmute yourself and attendance. B section first, I'll take it. Aarti, Archana. It's time up because next class you may have Please, guys, quickly you tell me. Aarti, Archana,
Present, ma'am.
Ashok, Bhagyashree.
Ma'am, Aarti present, ma'am.
Present,
Okay.
ma'am.
Whoever said present, exit. Bhagyashree, Bhumika.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Bhupati, Bindu,
Present, ma'am.
Chaitra, Chandana,
Present, ma'am.
Chidambar, Sujata,
Present, ma'am.
Deepa.
Present, ma'am.
Deepa. Deepa is present or absent? Deepa is absent. Dhanushri, Jayashri, Jeevita,
Present, ma'am.
Mithun.
Ma'am, Dhanushri present, ma'am.
Okay. Lakshmi.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah.
Present, ma'am.
Bhavyashri, Parappa, Pooja B.
Present, ma'am.
Pooja B present. Pooja yes. Absent. Prarthana. Prarthana present. Pratyusha present. Rajeshwari present.
Present.
Rakesh present. Rashmi present. Rishabh. Sahana. Sandeep present. Sandhya KS.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shilpa Shri.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah. Shreyas. Sneha.
Present, ma'am.
Supriya.
Present, ma'am.
Supriya. Supriya. Varshita. Okay. Vasanta Kumari. ಓಕೆ ಸುಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. ವಿನಯ್ ಯಾ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿ.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Rishabh is present, ma'am. He has some mic issues.
ಯಾ ಐ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್.
Present, ma'am.
ಯಾರು?
The present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Sahana present, ma'am.
Vasanta.
ವಸಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿಮ್ಮ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಮ್ಮ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಅಲ್ಕಾ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್.
Yes, ma'am.
Exit.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavana.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah, good exit. Chitra is absent. Okay, Chitra Shri present. Dayanand is absent. Deepika.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, exit ma. Present helput exit agi. Dhanvantri, Eeramma, Girish is absent.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah, Harini is absent. Javed absent. Ambika.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi, Maheshwari present. Manoj, Maya Prajapati present. Mehana is absent. Umar present. Mohan is absent. Mohan is absent. Navyashri, Pooja ji.
Present, ma'am.
Pooja ji is present. Good. Pooja Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah, exit guys. Pranati is absent. Pranati is absent. Ranjit is absent. Sahana M. Sahana M is present. Tanveer is absent.